Hi folks, right, 3 years ago, it might even be longer than that, we cleaned the carpets in this accountant's in Surrey, and we returned today to re-clean the carpets, and in that time you can see that there is soiling on the main traffic areas into the property. Now the client understands how important it is to have the carpets cleaned, because it's the first thing that their clients see when they walk in. So it's about that time, I would say, the carpets are actually due for a clean. So we'll have a quick walk through, and right here on this corridor is where we, on our first visit, we cleaned one half. And there was quite a difference in appearance, so but it's not looking too bad since we cleaned it last. Let's have a walk through here. That's really the main traffic areas into the offices. The worst area is actually here, where we have the tea station area. So there's some spills going on down here, and that's something that I've got to deal with now. And just round here, it looks like there's been some kind of spillage right here in the corner. Okay, so those areas will be steam cleaned, extracted, and then once that's done, we can then look at using our Simex machine to then clean the entire carpet. And this is a Simex. It has a planetary head on it, so this part spins that way, and all three of these spin in the opposite direction, and that helps to really get the work the chemical into the carpet pile, and it cleans like no other machine out there. Anyway, we'll come back to this in a bit, and we'll see kind of how it's looking there. Right, we've come to the end of this job now, and just a quick walk through to show you what we've done. Remember that stain that was down there behind that desk? That's gone. Carpets are ever so slightly damp, and we started this job at 9:45, and now it's 1:50. So it still has, they still need probably a good hour of airing and drying, but there was quite a difference down here. This traffic lane was quite dirty, and in here it wasn't too bad. It was just around the desk. It was around here where the person that works in this office may have had dirty shoes, and that dirt transfers to the carpet. Okay, so that all looking good in there. Anyway, most important part of this carpet, or the building I should say, is this bit. This is the bit of the clients see. As soon as they walk through the door, they see a nice clean carpet, and that reflects on the customer. Okay, the carpets look well kept, clean and fresh. It reflects very well on the business. So there you have it, folks. Now this building has an upstairs, and I believe there are solicitors upstairs. And so what I've done is I've just cleaned these two steps here, so the people upstairs can see what a difference it makes to have the carpets cleaned. So hopefully they'll give me a call, and I'll get their business as well. Anyway, thanks for watching.